We're going to be doing something called the Vignette effect, and it's quite a simple effect that you'll see in some certain types of films and TV shows. And essentially what it is if you see here, I've taken a video of the skyline and I've created an effect where it looks like it's kind of there's a focus, there's a spotlight on a certain part of the screen, and the outer edges are kind of darkened. And this can be usually a very subtle effect in a video, but if you do it right, it actually helps to enhance and make a statement. So it could, for example, it could be in a film noir, more of a mysterious film. If you have a scene where you might want to think about making it look like a dream or a flashback, this effect sometimes is very useful. So how we're going to start off is, I did two examples here, one with just coffee beans, and you can see that the outer edges is a little bit darker. There's some darker edges here because the original looked just like that. And then the second one is where I took a normal skyline video and made it have a vignette at the side. So first of all, you take your video and you put it onto your timeline. You go to effects, and there's effect under generate called circle. And once you drag and drop circle onto this onto the video, you'll see it pop up here. The key points first, maybe I'll do it from the beginning. If I drag and drop circle on top of the video, it will first of all look like this. The key to making it appear on top of the video without totally blocking it is to first go to invert circle, click on that, and then the blending mode, you need to make sure that it's set at overlay, and then it will appear on top of the video that you have. The next thing that you want to do is play around with the radius. If I have the radius here, it's at 75, but I'm going to make the circle a little bit bigger, and I want it to fill up the majority of the screen so that just the corner edges are left out. Once we do that, then we can also select the color. So in this case, I'm going to use the eyedropper, and I'm going to select the color that I want it to focus on. I can make it select a color like that, and then it could change the color like over there. But I'm just going to select it like that. And to kind of feather out the edges and soften up the edges so it looks less like a circle that's placed over your video, you just go to expand feather over here, and feather outer edge. You can play around with this and it creates a softer looking edge. So now I have some extra light and dark areas at the side. Here I've done the exact same thing for this video here, where I'll do it again. You take the circle, drop it on top of the city, you go to invert the circle, blending mode is overlay, you increase the radius so it fills up more of the screen, and then you just play around with the feathering. So here I've done the opposite of what it was before, where the outer parts are lighter and the inner parts are darker. If you want to change that, you can select any part, and they'll make the outer parts darker. If you want it to appear more apparent, you can change the feather as well. So now we've kind of created just a little effect that enhances some of your videos. Have fun!